China just dropped a cool $138 billion into its economy. This isn't just a casual investment, it's a strategic move that has the entire world watching with bated breath. Imagine the sheer scale of this financial injection. It's like a tidal wave of money crashing into the shores of the global economy. That's right, billion with a B. We're talking about a sum so vast that it could fund entire countries. This isn't pocket change, it's a monumental financial maneuver. It's like they found a dusty piggy bank shaped like a giant panda and decided to smash it open. But instead of a few coins, out came a flood of cash, ready to be deployed in ways that could reshape the economic landscape. This isn't just about boosting their own growth. Oh no, this is about something much bigger. It's about positioning themselves as a dominant force in the global market. It's about influence, control, and the ability to dictate terms on the world stage. This is about power, folks. The power of money, the power of technology, and the power to reshape the global order. With this kind of financial muscle, China is sending a clear message. They're not just participants in the global economy, they're key players. And guess what's playing a starring role in this geopolitical drama? You guessed it, cryptocurrency. Digital currencies are at the forefront of this financial revolution, offering new avenues for investment and control. China's economic moves are sending shockwaves across the world, causing ripples in markets from New York to Tokyo. Financial analysts are scrambling to make sense of it all, trying to predict the long-term impacts, leaving everyone from Wall Street to your Uncle Steve who still thinks Bitcoin is a type of orange, scrambling to understand what it all means. The average person is now more curious than ever about these digital currencies and their potential. Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into China's $138 billion gamble, and trust me, the stakes couldn't be higher. This is a high-stakes game of economic poker, and the world is watching to see who will come out on top. So, what's in this massive stimulus package? Let's break it down piece by piece. Think of it as a financial buffet, and China's just loading up its plate. But what exactly is on the menu? First up, we have interest rate cuts. This move makes it cheaper for businesses to borrow money, encouraging them to invest and expand. Lower interest rates can stimulate economic activity by making loans more affordable for both businesses and consumers. Next, there's a healthy serving of reduced bank reserve requirements. This means banks can hold less money in reserve and lend out more, freeing up even more cash to flow through the economy. It's like opening the floodgates to a river of money, aiming to boost spending and investment. And for dessert, a big dollop of infrastructure spending. We're talking about massive investments in public works like roads, bridges, and high-speed rail lines. These projects not only create jobs, but also lay the foundation for long-term economic growth. After all, who doesn't love a shiny new bridge or a state-of-the-art transportation system? But here's the kicker. A significant chunk of this cash injection is rumored to be going into, you guessed it, cryptocurrency. This isn't just a passing fad, it's a strategic move. While the exact amount remains shrouded in secrecy, because China, experts estimate that at least $70 billion could be fueling the digital dragon's fire. This massive investment could potentially position China as a leader in the digital currency space, giving it a significant edge in the global financial arena. This isn't just about dabbling in digital currencies anymore, it's about strategic investment in a technology that could redefine the global financial landscape. By pouring resources into blockchain and digital currencies, China is not only diversifying its economic portfolio, but also preparing for a future where digital transactions could become the norm. This move could have far-reaching implications, potentially reshaping how we think about money and financial systems on a global scale. Remember those trade tensions with the US? They were all over the news with headlines screaming about tariffs, trade wars, and economic standoffs. It seemed like every other day there was a new development, a new twist in the saga. Yeah, those haven't magically disappeared. The tensions are still simmering beneath the surface, affecting businesses and economies on both sides of the Pacific. In fact, they've pushed China to get creative, finding ways to circumvent tariffs and reduce their reliance on the almighty US dollar. Enter Bitcoin, stage left. This digital currency has become a key player in China's strategy to navigate the choppy waters of international trade. Imagine a digital tunnel, bypassing all those pesky trade barriers and tariffs. Bitcoin offers a way to move value across borders without the usual friction, like a secret passageway in a castle wall. That's essentially what China and Russia are doing, using Bitcoin to settle trades directly, like some kind of economic underground railroad. This method allows them to conduct transactions without the prying eyes of traditional financial systems. It's a brilliant, if somewhat sneaky strategy. By leveraging the decentralized nature of Bitcoin, they can avoid the constraints and costs imposed by traditional trade mechanisms. By using Bitcoin, China can sidestep those hefty tariffs imposed by the US and conduct business on its own terms. This not only saves money but also gives them greater control over their economic interactions. It's like ordering takeout from a different restaurant because your usual spot tried to charge you extra for chopsticks. In this case, Bitcoin is the new restaurant, offering a way to get what you need without the extra fees. This innovative approach is reshaping the landscape of global trade, showing how digital currencies can be used to navigate and even exploit the complexities of international economics. As the world watches, China and Russia are setting a precedent that could change the way countries think about trade and currency in the digital age. For decades, the US dollar has reigned supreme as the world's reserve currency. It's been the king of the castle, the big cheese, the top dog. But lately the dollar's been looking a little less mighty, a little less regal. China's been quietly and not so quietly chipping away at the dollar's dominance, and cryptocurrency is its weapon of choice. They're not just stockpiling Bitcoin, they're encouraging the use of their own digital yuan, a move that has the potential to reshape global finance as we know it. Imagine a world where the yuan, not the dollar, is the go-to currency for international trade. It's a scenario that's both intriguing and, let's be honest, a little terrifying. Section 5, China's Crypto Conundrum. China's relationship with cryptocurrency has been a roller coaster ride of epic proportions. One minute they're cracking down on Bitcoin mining, the next they're rolling out the red carpet for blockchain technology. It's enough to give even the savviest crypto enthusiast whiplash. But here's the thing, China's not anti-crypto, they're anti-competition. They see the potential of this technology, but they want to control it, shape it in their own image. Think of it as a parent who lets their child play with Legos, as long as they follow the instructions and build the exact model on the box. Section 6, America's Bitcoin power grab. The United States isn't just going to sit back and watch China run away with the crypto crown. Oh no, they're making their own power play. The latest move? Establishing a strategic Bitcoin reserve, a digital Fort Knox if you will. It's a bold move, one that acknowledges the growing importance of digital assets in the global financial system, but it also raises more questions than it answers. How big will this reserve be? What role will it play in US monetary policy? And will it be enough to counter China's growing influence in the cryptosphere? Section 7. Reading the tea leaves, market predictions. So what does all this mean for the future of cryptocurrency? Well, if you ask 10 different experts, you'll probably get 11 different answers. But one thing's for sure, things are about to get interesting. Some analysts believe that China's massive cash injection, coupled with their strategic use of Bitcoin, could trigger a bull run of epic proportions. Others are more cautious, warning that global economic uncertainty and the ever-present threat of regulation could dampen the party. One thing everyone seems to agree on, hold on to your hats folks, because this is going to be one wild ride. Section 8, China's Balancing Act. China's walking a tightrope right now, trying to balance economic growth with political control. They want to harness the power of cryptocurrency without letting it undermine their grip on power. It's a delicate dance, one that will have major implications for the global economy. The world is watching China's every move, trying to decipher their intentions and predict their next steps. Will they emerge as the undisputed leaders of the digital economy, or will their ambitions be their undoing? Only time will tell. Section 9. A New World Order? We're living in a time of unprecedented change. The global order is being reshaped right before our eyes, and cryptocurrency is playing a starring role. China's $138 billion gamble is just the latest chapter in this ongoing saga. The future is uncertain, but one thing's for sure, it's going to be interesting. So buckle up, grab some popcorn, and enjoy the show. And hey, maybe buy a little Bitcoin while you're at it, just in case.